Now we start chapter 5. Only 1 marks questions. Question number 1. Answer the following question. Each question contains 1 marks. Question number 1. Given sequence is an arithmetic progression? Question marks. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, dash, 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 dash. Now we start the answer. Given sequence is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. A1 मतलब फर्स्ट टर्म इक्वल टू 1, सेकंड टर्म इक्वल टू 1, थर्ड टर्म इक्वल टू 2, फोर्थ टर्म इक्वल टू 2. The common difference D equal to second term minus 1 first term. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. D equal to A3 minus A2. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. D equal to fourth term minus third term. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Here 0 and here difference is 1. So difference are not equal. 0 not equal to 1. तो डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू कॉन्सिक्यूटिव टर्म, जो टर्म का डिफरेंस है अगर इक्वल होता तो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है, इक्वल नहीं है देयरफॉर इट इज़ नॉट एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. टर्म्स आर नॉट इक्वल देयरफॉर इट इज़ नॉट एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. नाउ वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इफ mth टर्म इज m and nth टर्म इज n, फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस. M term is given m, value of nth term is n. We have to find the common difference. Now we start the answer. am equal to m, an equal to n, which is given. Now we know the formula. Common difference D equal to am minus an upon m minus n. This is the formula we know. Therefore D equal to value of am equal to m minus value of an equal to n upon m minus n. Here m minus n numerator and denominator equal 1, therefore D equal to 1. Now start question number 3. If mth term is n and nth term is m, find the common difference. Here it is given that m term, this is given. We start answer. am equal to n, an equal to m. The common difference D equal to am minus an upon am minus n. We know this is the formula. D equal to value of am equal to n, value of an equal to m upon m minus n. We take minus 1 common, m minus n upon m minus m, m minus m cancel, equal to minus 1. Therefore common difference D equal to minus 1. Question number 4. What is an arithmetic progression? That is AP. Answer. An arithmetic progression is a list of a number in which each term is added, each fixed term is added, the number to preceding term except the first term. Fixed term is added and obtain the other number. This is known as the arithmetic progression. The list of a progression, list of a number in which common difference D is equal, or by adding a fixed number to preceding number except the first term, because which is the first term we can't know. Which is the first term before the first term we can't know. In this arithmetic progression, fixed number is called the added is known as the common difference. Common difference can be positive, negative, it can also be 0. when the difference between two consecutive terms is equal, it may be positive, it may be negative, or it may be zero, then it is known as the arithmetic progression. Now question number 5. What is the finite arithmetic progression? If in arithmetic progression finite number is finite, numbers are finite, is called the finite arithmetic progression. फाइनाइट मीन्स वी कैन काउंट इट, हम इसको काउंट कर सकते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं फाइनाइट. इफ वी कैन नॉट काउंट इट, दिस इज नोन एज द इनफाइनाइट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. व्हाट इज द इनफाइनाइट arithmetic progression? If in arithmetic progression the infinite number is called the progression, there are infinite number is called the infinite arithmetic progression. We cannot count it. Question number 7. Write the following situation is an arithmetic progression or not. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. Now we start the answer. Taxi fare of the first kilometer is rupees 15 and 8 rupees is added in additional each kilometer. So for first kilometer 15 rupees, for second one 15 plus 8, plus third 15 plus 8 plus 8, plus we can travel 4 kilometer, then 15 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, dash dash dash, then 15, 23, 31, 39. It is an arithmetic progression because by adding a fixed number 8, we obtain the other number. That is, difference between two consecutive terms are equal and is 8. So it is an arithmetic progression. Now question number 8. For the arithmetic progression 3 by 2, 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2, dash dash dash, write the first term A and common difference D. We have to find the first term and we have to find the common difference. Now we start the answer. Given arithmetic progression is 3 by 2, 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 3 by 2, dash 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 dash, continuous. First term A equal to A1 equal to 3 by 2. Second term A2 equal to 1 upon 2. Here arithmetic progression is given. Therefore common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 1 upon 2 minus 3 by 2. Therefore common difference D equal to, taking LCM, 2, 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2 upon 2. 2 1 minus 1. Therefore D equal to minus 1. Now we start the question number 9. Given sequence 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 are arithmetic progression? Question mark sign. This is question arithmetic progression. We have to find it is arithmetic progression or not. So it is given sequence 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, A1 equal to 3, A2 equal to 3 plus root 2, A3 equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, A4 equal to 3 plus 3 root 2, A2 minus A1 equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 plus root 2 minus 3 cancel, root 2. Now A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3, sign will be changed because negative before the bracket, minus 3 plus 3 cancel, plus 2 root 2 minus root 2 equal to root 2, a4 minus a3, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 root 2, 3 3 cancel, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 equal to root 2. Therefore, common difference is same. The difference between two consecutive terms are equal and it is root 2. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. Question number 10. Write the formula of the nth term if the first term a and common difference d is given. It is given that first term is a, common difference d, therefore nth term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sometime we can write tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Generally we can write first, second भी right है, दोनों right है. Now question number 11. In arithmetic progression, first term of arithmetic progression is a, last term is an or l. Write the formula of the sum of first n term, that is Sn. Now we start the answer. First term is a, last term is an or l, sum of n term equal to Sn. Therefore, formula Sn equal to n upon 2 a plus an, or Sn equal to n upon 2 a plus last term l. Now start question number 12. If a, comma a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, then what is the formula of the sum of n term? Now we start answer. Given arithmetic progression a, comma a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d dash dash dash. First term is a, common difference d equal to second term minus first term. 1 1 a cancel means d, number of term n. Therefore Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula of the sum of n term. Now we start question number 13. For given arithmetic progression an equal to 5n minus 2, find the common difference. Now we start answer. Arithmetic progression an equal to 5n minus 2, a1 equal to 5 into 1, value of n equal to 1 minus 2, 5 1 ja 5 minus 2 3, a2 n equal to 2, 5 into 2 minus 2, 10 minus 2 equal to 8, a3 equal to 5 into 3 minus 2, 15 minus 2 equal to 13. Therefore, common difference a2 minus a1, 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Therefore, common difference is 5. Now in short method, or if AP equal to AN equal to 5n minus 2, what is the common difference D equal to dash? AN equal to 5n minus 2. In arithmetic progression, AP AN is given, then coefficient of n is D. Here coefficient of n is 5, therefore D equal to 5. This is for MCQ. This method is for MCQ. Only for MCQ method in arithmetic progression is given an equal to 5n minus 2, then coefficient of n के आगे क्या है 5 है, n के अगर नेगेटिव हुआ तो नेगेटिव लिखने का 5n minus 2, तो coefficient of n equal to 5, therefore common difference d equal to 5. Now we start with question number 14. Find an arithmetic progression n equal to 3 plus 5n. Find the 11th term. An equal to 3 plus 5n. Here n equal to 11. By putting the value of n equal to 11, a11 equal to 3 plus value of n 11, 5 into 11 equal to 3 plus 11, 5 is 55. 55 plus 3, 58. Therefore, a11 equal to 58 answer. Therefore, 11th term is 58. Now, question number 15. If Sn equal to 2n square minus 3n, find the D and A. Now, we start the answer. Sn equal to 2n square minus 3n. If we put n equal to 1 means first term, S1 equal to 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 equal to 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. If n equal to 2 means second term, sum of two terms equal to 2 into value of n equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 equal to 2, 2 square 4 minus 6, 4 to 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Therefore, sum of two term equal to 2. S1 equal to A1 equal to ये तीनों तीन सेम होता है कि सम ऑफ वन टर्म फर्स्ट टर्म ही होती है, ए फर्स्ट टर्म है, S2 मीन सम ऑफ टू टर्म A1 प्लस A2, सम ऑफ S2 वी फाइंड 2, A1 equal to minus 1 plus A2, therefore A2 equal to 2 plus 1, A2 equal to 3. So second term equal to 3. Now common difference D equal to second term minus first term. Second term is 3 minus first term is in bracket minus 1, minus into minus plus, therefore 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Therefore common difference D equal to 4. Now for this method for MCQ, Sn equal to 2n square minus 3n, S1 equal to A1 equal to A equal to 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, therefore we find A equal to minus 1. If in Sn is given in the formula form, then the double twice of the coefficient of n square is D. Therefore coefficient of n square equal to 2, therefore D equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4, therefore D equal to 4, therefore A first term equal to minus 1 and common difference equal to 4. If any equation is given, we can find easily common difference. Suppose Sn equal to 3 minus 5n square. So what is the common difference? Common difference D equal to 2 multiply coefficient of n square equal to 2 into minus 5, 2 into minus 5, D equal to minus 10. We can find easily. This is the extra sum. Thank you.